Bibawo. These things happen is brought to you by VCL Studios, Uganda's only choice in video filming, editing, and quality audio recording.
Would like to present a small gift to you, and this will be done. Can I call upon Charlotte Zabawanka to come and present this gift to the minister? Charlotte Zabawanka.
In Bibaawo.
Mwe, Minister Mlambali Munda ayogera naffe. Kakati n'abaana bonna batudde bawuliriza. Mwe muze bweru eno kutula butuuzi?
We are just sitting here.
That place was suffocated. I was being bugged by this. I have sinuses, so the place was hot and suffocating.
Sinuses?
I had to come here and relax here.
Sinuses ono alina kukwatako kukutuulako nga akukwatiridde.
You see, the sinus is very unstable. If you don't have someone fit to comfort you.
Ebyo bigamba nzi mmwe mumanyi sirimu nti aluma. Mumanyi nti sirimu ajja kubatta baana bange. Nze gwe otegeera sirimu kyeki?
Sirimu bwati bwakwata. Sirimu atukwata asangano nga tutudde bwe tuti.
Kiki?
What's up with me relaxing here, sticking around on this bench?
Kyekugamba okitegeera nze ndi mukazi sizaaliddwa jjojjo wano. Nze byenjogera mbitegeera era n'amaaso galaba. Nze ekiddugala abaddugala we walaba nze ndaba ki kye muliko muwulidde. Naye bino kabiggwe mujja kulaba nja kubawa ekibonero.
Hello. I'm absent-minded.
Jenny, the English teacher supposed to look for the source.
Man, the chick popped but Joe to teach.
Why did she Joe to teach?
Man, she gave guys me nyam first by the background.
She brought guys me no first guy behind.
Just because they Joe to our signees.
That woman is our signees. So what did you have to?
Anyway, some guys went for this funny music classes. But for me, I had to go and attend an NBM meeting.
An NBM? For me,
I think Kyeki ran around yesterday.
man, went for party. When yesterday,
Please, you'll contract
we
AIDS
squad, we swat. Where were you?
Good morning, students.
Hi.
Morning.
Is the headmaster in?
It popped. Popped.
He surfaced, sir.
He surfaced. Bana bange mumbulire. Is the headmaster in?
Yes, yes, yes. How many times have I got to tell you this? He is in.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's all these.
I don't know what's wrong with these genders nowadays. It seems as they go older.
Maria, my dear, you should behave, alright?
Oh, Maria, of course they know it. Maria is a well-behaved girl. And do you doubt her?
I don't, mommy, I don't.
Maria is just like Maria, the mother of Jesus. Yeah? Maria mwanange. Eri obadde duhaga, ng'olina empisa, nga buli omu akwagala, abasomesa, abaana, ne kati wonna joininze wano. Njagala maintaining empisa ezo. Owulidde?
By the way, mommy, did you bring her reports?
Reports, my God. I think I brought them. Let me check. Maria, oba nakyusiza ensawo? Oh, yes. We have them. Yes,
Okay,
we have them.
But, mommy,
Yeah,
naye senga tetufuna kifo. Tunaakala tutya?
Ate kati oyogera biki ebyo ku kiseera kino mazima?
Mbimaze, mama, mbimaze. Mbimaze, mama, mbimaze.
Tusabeko. Ntidde nnyo.
Muli owulira otya?
Kati
Ogumye. Okay.
Kati, let's have this school fee structure typed.
Okay.
Ready for the meeting, okay?
Okay.
And these invoices, these are our suppliers.
Yeah.
Muzikoleko, muzitulule mu nebasa.
Okay.
And you'll give me you'll tell me what
the results.
Yeah.
Okay.
Omwana oli Mukasa, Emmanuel.
Mukasa.
Yeah.
As that Mukasa.
His case you are going to handle.
Because you are in S4A.
S4A.
I should discipline that boy.
Hello. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
What do you want?
We are sorry. We want to see the headmaster.
He's not in.
He's not here. We were told he's in.
Go to those who told you he's in to show you where he is.
But madam, even his car is outside.
Then go and ask the car.
The car? Does the car talk?
Excuse me, madam. When should we come back? Tomorrow?
Perhaps next month.
Next month?
Next month?
Mistress,
Yes, sir.
can you please Mr. and Mrs. Mgalas.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to see me?
Of course.
Oh, come right in. You don't need to wait. You don't have to wait. Huh? Come right in. Kelo, why do you have to keep these people waiting here? Huh? Rachel, he's the one. Come right in.
Oh, thank you very
Yes.
much.
Maria, sit there.
File that report.
Okay, sir.
Oh, Mr. Mugalas.
Sebo.
You are most welcome.
Thank you very much.
Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Yes. How are you, Mr. Mugalas?
All right.
How are you, madam? Yeah. Mr. Headmaster.
Yes.
We too, we are agriculture. And you are going, I want to stay with you for a very long time.
Thank you very much.
And you are going to learn more from me.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Mr.
I
Dido,
think I can't go,
my
Mr.
deputy.
Headmaster.
You know, I'm sure you've met.
We've met before.
Yes.
But I can't leave.
Is it confidential?
No, it's official.
Oh, well, sit down.
see.
You can remain. Yes. What brings you early this morning, Mr. Mgalasi? Ngamukedde bulala.
Sebo, tuze kukulisa mikolo.
Oh,
Webale nnyo okuteeka.
Founders Day.
Founders Day.
Yeah, it was a busy day. Yeah, it was a busy day. But yeah, we managed to go through it. It was successful anyway. Yeah, thank
you very much. Yes, that's when I stood in front of the minister and I said, we too, we are capable because we are agriculture.
I remember.
Yes. Yeah.
So how can I help you?
Mr. Headmaster, as you may well know, that we have just been transferred to this place.
Yes.
We have been in Hoima for the last, how many years, Mami?
17
years.
Yes.
17.
It's where I met my dear wife. Oh. She was a young girl then.
Ah, and she still is.
Thank you very much. And we have only one child.
One child.
A daughter. Yes, really, Mr. Headmaster. You know what it is to have only one child?
Yes.
This is our only daughter. She's our everything.
Mrs. Mugalase.
Without her,
yes.
there is no life.
I understand your situation. Because I've also got one child.
Yeah,
Oh, that's right.
Oh, let me recall.
Amanda, yes.
Amanda Tama.
Yes.
And you know, I liked her very much. She was so smart, she looked so good. That's why I can still remember her name.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, by the way, is she your real daughter?
Yeah. Well, anyway. Anyway, as a matter of fact, she's my real, she's my daughter. But how can I help you?
Omwana oyo abadde Duhaga Secondary School.
Oh, that is a very good school. I know it.
It is?
I know it, yeah. The headmaster, is he still there?
Yes.
He's a very good man.
Yeah, he's a good man, I know, because we always meet in the meetings at the ministry.
Okay. Kakati omwana oyo ekikulu tumwagala nnyo.
Yes.
Wadde eri ebadde boarding school neera abadde abeera naffe. Kakati twagala tusaba muwe ekifo wano. Tulebe ku masomero mangi nnyo ge tulambuddeko wano naye ng'eryammwe lirisinga. Nekyakubiri
Yes, only 600 meters.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I understand. What class is she?
Senior 2.
Senior 2?
Yes.
Mr. Lindo, have you got some places in Senior 2 to
No. S2 is very, very full. It is full to capacity. There is no vacant. Teri wadde ekifo gwate weewuune abaana abamu basoma bayimiridde buyimirizi. Yes, it is a pity. Kubanga kakati mbadde ndowoozaako nakukyakuba abamu kubayimiriza mbagobe bagende. Yes. Please.
Yes, I would have liked to help you.
You are unfortunate. Tewali kifo.
But it was a transfer.
Yes.
I understand. And I would have very, very much loved to help you. I mean, Mr. Mugalas.
But the fact is, the class is full to capacity.
Mr. Headmaster, the girl, she's a well-behaved girl. She was brought up in a Christian way, just like us. And I know, Mr. Headmaster, you like her. You won't regret.
That is impossible. S2 is very full to capacity. You need the weight. Okay? Yes.
I think, I could help you. If I recommended you in some other good school. I know of some good schools.
It is unfortunate.
Okay. Right. Let me have a look at the girl. I can find a way of helping you. Then let me have a
look here, Mr. Headmaster. You shouldn't waste these people's time. I have told you more than once. Okay. For me, I am moving. Is this a girl?
Yes, sir.
Is this?
Yes.
intelligent.
Thank you.
Mr. Headmaster. Ono gwobadde omekifo.
Sigongambye nti wano places ziri full tewali kifuna kimu.
Nedda ebyo babigamba ng'abaana abalala nga bali naye not such. An intelligent no. Mr. Mugalas, ekifo mulimaze kifuna. Yes. Exactly.
Muntu mazeko ekizibu.
Yes.
Yeah, well, kati mwami Mugalas. Deputy wange agamba there are some places for the girl. So sijja kwongerako nnyo ku kyayogedde. Kabayambe.
Okay.
Sibo mwebale nnyo.
Kale. Yeah. Kale ba? Yeah. Yes.
Sibo nawe webale nnyo.
Kale. Kale.
Maria.
Nice.
Maria, webaza omukulu.
Okay. Yeah.
N'omukulu.
Thank you, sir.
She's very intelligent.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Lido.
Oh, yes.
Gendo bayambeko.
Okay.
He'll help you register the girl.
Yeah. Because you're going to be also on my school. Very intelligent. Yeah. Hello. Dear Christian, register this intelligent girl in the S2. S2E, my class. Yeah. Mr. Mugalas, this intelligent girl is going to experience her best time with her.
Thank you very much.
Here.
That's
and I'm
very nice
going to do all the best.
That's very good of you.
Yeah, maintain her stay here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay.
You can sit here. Can't you talk? What are your names?
Maria Teresa Mdalas.
Louder, please.
Maria Teresa Mdalas.
Follow me.
Spend out properly, yes. Spend out properly, everyone.
still very low, but still we'll catch up with time. Okay, please, group A, come in. Now we are going to have a discussion. Yes, now the doctor is here. We are having a discussion. Okay, relax. In. Out. Okay, let's get students. We sit down here. Okay, relax. Oh, sit down, all of you, please. Sit down, please. Okay, breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Hold it, please. Out. Relax every part of your body. Oh, Carissa, not so much, please. Okay, in, please, in, everybody. Out. In. Out. Carissa, in. Out. Okay, relax. Okay. Now, students, we've been exercising our muscles. Now, we are going to have an intellectual discussion, and that is by exercising our body. Yes. Now, let me pose the question to you. What should we talk about? What should we discuss? Yes, Nabawanuka. Music. But just been listening to music. Yes, Mute.
Let's dance.
But they've just been. No. Yes, Marvin, what's the idea?
I think the doctor should decide.
Yes, let's have the doctor decide. Yes, I think yes.
Okay, I'd like to think of something in which we can all participate.
Yes.
Well, the other day at the award ceremony, we were talking about AIDS and NBM. Why don't we continue a discussion on that?
Talk about NBM. Yes, talk about AIDS and NBM. Hey, Carissa, what is it?
I'm stepping.
What do you mean you are stepping? Please, order. What do you mean you are stepping, please?
Don't you have better things to talk about?
Come on, Carissa. How can you say we don't have better things to talk about?
I'm hearing AIDS.
Well, look here. What are you
The
saying?
other day, the minister was rapping about the same thing. Today, you're now speaking.
Now,
Carissa,
Carissa, you might be tired of the subject of AIDS, but then people are dying every day. More and more people are dying every day.
I'm not dying.
Look, okay, Carissa, you might not be dying today, but then what might happen to you in the future?
Today is today, tomorrow.
Okay, today is today and tomorrow is tomorrow. You might be tired, but maybe you might benefit from this people's discussion. And maybe if you don't benefit, you might have an idea and people will benefit from.
You mean I'll be given a chance to air my views?
Yes, no problem. I'll give you time and you also air your views. Yes, you air your views, please. Please, please sit down. Please. Okay, what is it, Chiru? Okay, you Chiru. Isn't it Chiru? Okay, you Chiru. You imagine this is good.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the ball is in the doctor's hands, please. Yes.
I'd like to think of something that we can all participate in. All right, think about this. What would you do if you suddenly found out you had AIDS?
What?
What would you do if you suddenly found out you had AIDS?
If I found I had AIDS,
Think about it. Who's this girl here?
No, she's a new student in the school. Yes, what's your name, please?
Maria Teresa Mugalas.
Maria, who? Speak up, please. Speak up.
Maria Teresa Mugalas.
Okay, Maria Teresa Mugalas, what would you do?
I would kill myself.
You would kill yourself? Well, you mean now you'd encourage her to kill herself?
All right. She says she would kill herself.
Yes.
Does anyone else feel that way?
You mean,
Yes.
Yes, laugh.
If the chick wants to die, let her kill her.
Yeah. No, it can't.
There are people.
Please, what I...
There are people in here who are saying that they would kill themselves.
Yes.
Now, that's pretty shocking, I think.
Yes.
What might be a problem with killing yourself? Yes.
It's a sin. It's a sin to kill yourself. Yes, it's a sin. Since God is the one who gave you that life, you have no right to take it away by force.
That's the way she feels.
Yes, Moses.
That's nonsense.
Yes, Carissa.
I'm bored of you speaking about this religious crap. If you are really going to get somewhere about this discussion, if you are stepping anywhere, you should forget all about this religious crap. Satan is working on it. How can this way Satan?
Please, what I class, yes, Moses.
Because even you do it for all people.
All right, wait. All right, wait a minute. First of all, we're not having a religious discussion here. Religion has a place for people, and people want to have that as part of their lives. But what we're doing here is we've got to remember that AIDS does not discriminate. It strikes people who believe and people who don't believe and everyone in between.
Yes.
So what we're trying to do here is find a solution. Try to come up with what we can do about it. Not the religious aspects so much, okay? So let's keep that in mind.
Yes.
And, yes.
It's a crime to kill yourself. At least in Uganda here, it's against the law.
We're talking about people who say they would kill themselves, and now this girl says it's a crime to kill yourself.
Yes, Mute.
After I will be dead, no one can punish me.
Please, what and class. Please. But what do you have to say?
The relatives will have to lose you.
Please, what and class.
I don't know if everybody heard that. He said that your relatives and your friends will lose you if you kill yourself.
It's true. Yes. It's true.
All right, yes.
But after all, I have to die. Why don't I kill myself before I start suffering? Oh, yes.
All right. Why don't we just kill ourselves if we're all going to die anyway? Yes, we all have a limited time on this earth, that's true, but we should live that life to the fullest. Yes. Not have an attitude, well, I'm going to die, so we'll all just kill ourselves. No, that's a negative attitude. We should have a positive attitude.
Raph, what's going on down there, please? Rafu, what's going on down there, please?
Madam, I was jotting down important points of what you've been talking.
Jotting down important points of what I'm talking?
Yes, madam.
Let me have a look, but with all those people laughing, you're disrupting my class. Come here.
Nice, good. Yes.
Yes, that's very good. Yeah, I wish all of you were doing like Ralph, because now we are having a discussion and here he is writing down what we are discussing. That's very good. You are a very good student. Please, all of you, after this discussion, you go to Ralph where he give you the notes. Keep it up. It's very good. Keep it up.
I wish I was good. I know.
Yes. Now, what if you killed yourself today and then the medicine is discovered tomorrow?
Very good point. Very good point.
Yes, Maria Teresa.
The first will never be discovered.
What?
Yes.
That's such a bad attitude. She's got a lot of bad attitudes, I think.
Okay, please.
All right. She has said the vaccine will never be discovered.
Yes.
That's a very negative attitude. Think about all the diseases that have been in history. Smallpox killed thousands and thousands of people. No, listen.
Please, order.
Measles killed many, many people. Mumps, polio. But it's because people
Please, order.
because people remained hopeful and looked for the cure, even though people were dying.
Yes.
That the cure was found.
Yes, yes.
So we have to remain hopeful that they'll find a cure for AIDS too.
Yes, yes, Nabawanuka.
That is free, and we are now new generation.
But everything that is today becomes history.
Yes.
AIDS, we've got to hope that they will find a cure.
Yes,
We can't just give up. Okay, let's put that subject aside for a little while. What else might you do if you found out you had AIDS? Anyone?
Yes, Wabomba.
Yes, I will get saved such that my sins are forgiven and I go and live a humble life with Jesus Christ because He saved us our sins.
Karisa.
There's what's genetic that you can lie God and after messing around then you think He'll forgive you then you get saved. But it's like God says you get saved.
Yes, Amanda.
If you look into John 15 verse 7, it says that if you remain in me and my words remain in you, you shall ask for whatever you want in my name and you shall have it. Meaning that
Please, order in class, please.
We're not sticking to the topic. I'm just going to remind you again, this is not a religious discussion this time. The topic is what would you do if you found out you had AIDS?
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Yes, Goretti.
I will spread it to so many people. Because they'll be the one coming to me.
You mean if you found out you had AIDS, you'd go spreading to everyone?
Yes, that's right.
You mean, yes, look at these people. Karisa, what do you have to say?
We make it just too late for the maximum.
You see?
All right, wait.
You mean,
Let's stop and really look at this seriously. She's going to spread it to others. She claims that she gets the disease innocently. The person doesn't tell her that the person that she's with has the disease, and she gets the disease. So now her bitterness and her anger makes her want to spread it to other innocent people.
Yes.
This is one of the biggest problems.
Please, let's hear what the doctor says.
This is one of these are the kind of people that we have to fear the most.
Yes.
Someone who tells us, I don't have the virus, I haven't been with anyone else, and they're lying to you, and you can't tell. That's why it is so important to be careful and to remember NBM.
No seed before marriage. Yes. You mean Karisa don't go for NBM, No seed before marriage. No seed before marriage. You see, people are going, no seed before marriage. This one.
Yes, come in, please.
Yes, madam.
Just a moment, please. Yes, good
morning.
How are you, madam?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Is this the tassel?
Yes, this is Tasso.
Oh, so I am capable to find the place I have never gone before.
Yes.
Oh, how are you,
Yes,
madam?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah.
How can we help you?
Oh, you know, I am Joachim Lindo, a
Yes.
deputy headmaster.
Yes.
Who is also capable to become a headmaster.
Yes.
Yes, I'm also capable because the government has considered me studying abroad and it has given me a scholarship.
It has given you a scholarship.
Yes, I'm flying away anytime I am flying away. Now, they only told me to bring this to you, these papers. Now, I have finished I have finished my part, and now it is left only your part. They are strictly on number 24.
On number 24?
Yes.
I see.
Oh, the place is very good.
Yeah, number 24 says
Yes.
that they need a blood test for for HIV.
Yes.
And I'm afraid here we may not be able to take a test.
Oh, no, don't worry. I am very safe, and you can also even determine. If now they are telling you all of that story, don't worry, you get the stamp, and you stamp here, and you put your signature. Money wants to fly away.
I know you want to fly
Yes.
away, Mr. Lindo, but
Yes.
you see,
Yes.
we cannot give you a stamp because we don't have that stamp. And mainly because TASO does not test people on voluntary basis. We can only take you up after you have tested elsewhere. So we only care for people who have tested and have been found to be HIV positive.
But I'm not HIV, what is it?
Wonderful.
That yes,
That's very
I'm
good.
healthy, as you see me.
Yes,
oh,
I can see
now.
you're very healthy. So
So-
what you're going to do,
Yes.
you're going to go back to town
Yes.
and go to the AIDS Information Center.
Hey, what is that?
That is where they do voluntary testing.
I see.
Yes. And if you want to test, for example, you want to get married, you want to go for studies,
flying away.
you just want to know your status,
Yes.
then you can go to this place in AIDS Information Center and they'll test you. After a short time, you'll go back and collect your results.
I see.
Yes.
No, I don't mind. I'm a healthy person, as you
Yes,
see
you're
me.
very healthy.
Physically, being capable to do everything. I will can go there briefly, and then they consider it. Now tell me.
Yes.
You may put me right. Bwe tubeereeyo they are telling us nti mwena abakola mu TASO mbu muli balwadde muli bwe muti. But you are very healthy.
Yes, but we know how to look after ourselves. We know how to look after
I see, and I'm healthy too.
Yeah, you
so
must
now,
remain healthy.
They are telling us lies. You are very healthy. For that matter, when I finish this logging of papers,
Yes.
I offer you a drink for 3 bottles.
Okay, you.
Yes, I am capable to offer even a crate.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
But first go to Bowman House. You know where Bowman House is?
No.
It's on Parliamentary Avenue.
I
It's
see.
right opposite the Parliamentary Building.
I see.
It's facing the Parliamentary Building. That is where AIDS Information Center is.
You see,
So if you get
I
any more
really
questions,
there.
come
I'm
back.
capable to look at that place.
Okay.
Now, thank you very much.
You're
I
welcome.
want to stay with you for a very long time.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
I can fly anytime.
Wonderful.
Yes. And this one is also very beautiful and healthy. Madam. No. You are also very good. Now, what I have told her, I have offered her a drink for 3 bottles. I am capable to offer a crate. You join her in the evening, you come together. Madam, you come together and I offer you a drink.
Thank you.
Both of you. Thank you.
Emmanuel, we have a call. Oyo omulabye kale abasajja bansobedde abantu bansobedde sincerely. People are not going to change. You can imagine he was making an appointment to go out after Bowman House. What does he know he's going to find there anyway?
Kakati ato.
Tugendemu awo tutunywewo. Can't you know what that means?
That
I don't know how people... You come to TASO, you've been told to test for HIV, and you're still thinking of going out with a girl whom you've met in TASO.
But I don't know what we are going to do. People are so irresponsible.
I don't know what the world is coming to, sincerely. I really don't know, Mabel.
What are we going to do to such people?
I don't know what people are going to be told to change behavior, to start seeing the reality. He thinks, he looks at me and he thinks I'm very healthy.
And he's also healthy. And
alowooza sirina siriimu kyokka ate nga bamugamba. He was told that people there are sick. Maybe if I wish he could take it for granted that it's true.
Kati n'agenda ayagala kuba bamukubira.
He wants to take us, and not only me. And can you believe it? He wants also to take you too.
Yeah.
You can imagine.
And
then he'll get a double share. Yeah. You know? He gets one infection and then another and another after another. And we're only 2 in this whole town so far.
Kakati abatalina kye bamanyiko.
I really don't know where we're getting to. I don't know what we are going, but what are we going to do to make the world realize that it's a danger? We are still looking at health. You look very, very healthy and nice. Then he looks at another girl. This one is also nice. I don't know really.